Welcome back. I've got the BOXYCHARM Premium. If you want to hear all about my crappy premium and why I'm considering discontinuing this box from the channel and from the blog, just stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I have an assistant with us today. It's Teddy Bear. Teddy Bear actually likes sitting like a human. He does. He's very human-like. And his brother Sully doesn't like not being included, but Sully is super big. And we don't know how we're going to get him in the video yet. But he's saying hi from the background. But in the meantime, I know you guys love Teddy Bear. So, hi Teddy Bear. By the way, he still has his little bling on. Guys, if you don't follow her, go to Rising Sun Oracle on Instagram. She makes these gorgeous little crystal things. She made one for my puppy love. And she makes really, really, really cute bracelets. I'm wearing a couple of them today. I have her cat one on today and her blood moon one on today. So they're super, super cute. We've got the premium from BOXYCHARM. This is a $35 a month box. It does come monthly. It's obviously a lot larger than the base box. So for $10 more, you'd think you'd be getting a lot more. But you'd be wrong. Alright, let's get into this. So we got that same little card from the makeup eraser in here, and then let's pull out the products so I can easily get to them, and we will talk about everything we got. Alright, so by the way, the box is the blue inside instead of the red like the regular one. Alright, where is my card? Here's my card. Here's the little thing. This month's theme was festival vibes because it usually is festival. We've got our pricing up here, and then we've got that same promo stuff from the regular box. Alright, so let's get into what we got. Starting off with product number 1, this is $26, and this is from Wander Beauty. This is the Mile High Club Volume and Lengthening Mascara. I have gotten this before. It is not my favorite. It comes in this gold little squeezy tube kind of thing, and the wand is very, very thin. So it's good if you don't want, in my opinion, a lot of volume and all that, but I've tried this one. It has not been my favorite. All right, so we got that. We got from Juice Beauty. By the way, sorry guys, I've got a hair or something like on my face and it's driving me crazy. All right, so next thing we've got is from Juice Beauty, and this is their Photo Pigment. It's a liquid lip. This is a very, very aggressive red. Like red. This is like blood red. So if blood red isn't your vibe, I know it's definitely not mine. I like more of the nudes, but this is definitely like, oh my god, red. But it is a nice consistency, so. And I do like Juice Beauty for the most part. This is also $24 for this one. Alright, so from Opulent Beauty, we got some brushes. It came in this little container here. By the way, I already pulled this box apart because I got pictures for you guys. And here are our brushes. How do I feel about these? They're soft. They're already shedding, which isn't abnormal for a new brush. But you've got kind of like a stippling brush. You've got an all-over powder brush. And then you've got kind of like a concealer brush. I don't know how I feel about the clear on the bottom thing, because they get dusty. So I don't know about that. But I mean, they're not bad, and they're decent quality. They are $40 for the trio. I don't know that I would pay that for them, but getting them, hey, we always can use brushes, right? Less cleaning. Okay, guys, so next we got from Libido this Age Away Replenishing Cream, which is $69. It says it's got no mineral oil, petroleum, silicones, parabens. It's not animal tested, but it does have herbal electives, organic ingredients. It's recyclable, essential oils, and this does have grapeseed and avocado in it. I do like this brand. I did try something else from Ipsy this month, and it does come like this. Looks like it's a K-Beauty kind of a product. And it's also got Melissa in it, which I don't know exactly what that is. It's to firm, hydrate, and repair your skin. So this is kind of like an overnight cream or a hydrating cream or a moisturizer. So I will give that a shot. I'm not unhappy about that. And I do like the packaging on these, so they're cute. Alright, so next, from Becca, which was my choice item, we got their Luminous Brush. Guys, you know how they say you can get one of 3 colors? You know, read the fine print, because what am I doing with this color? Do you guys think that this color would suit me? I'll do one better for you. Okay, I'll just do a little swatch of it. Really? There is no way I could make this work. Like, you know what? Just because I feel like being that person today. I'm just going to put like the littlest amount and show you guys. I mean, just with that little bit amount, and look how much blush I got going on. Like, yeah, this color you have to be really careful with, or just use it as eyeshadow. Guys, use the profiles. Fair-skinned people like me, that is not the color for us. Okay, last thing we got was from Smashbox. This is $45. This is the LA Cover Shot palette. And this is what it looks like. It does have a full-sized eyeliner, because, you know, we had to find a way to get the eyeliner in there. There was no way that a month could go by and not get eyeliner in BOXYCHARM. Let's see. So this is the Cover Shot. And, guys, well, I don't hate this one. It is kind of on the boring side. Would you agree? I'm going to insert some pictures of swatches up here. Smashbox is not one of those ones. I do have a couple that I like from them, but to me, their shadows tend to be very safe, and I wish they would take some more risks. I really wanted the Lunar Beauty one, and this one I was kind of disappointed with, but I'll get some use out of it. It's $45. So let's talk about this box. Is it worth the $35? If you like this eyeshadow palette, I guess, even though this thing is older than the hills, and I'm sure you can find it at TJ Maxx and Marshalls for half the price, if not less than half the price. So there's that. I think that this is decent. I think that the brushes are okay. I kind of like that they stay up by themselves too. That's pretty cool. But they're okay. The blush is a flop because of the color. The mascara I'm not a fan of, and this Pro Pigment, I think if you're in a red mood and you want to just be this girl, it's great, but I'm disappointed again. I feel like this box was not meant for me, and I'm going to say this, and please don't give me hate. It's not meant to be racist or anything, but I feel like this would be better for somebody of color. I feel like this box was better for somebody who has a darker skin tone, who can appreciate this darker blush and wants to rock the red lip and has nice eyelashes for this mascara. I don't know who these are for. I think this could work universally. And this eyeshadow palette, I would feel, you know, that maybe, I think anybody could get away with it, but I think this one might not be as great on darker skin tones because it's not great, like, super pigmented. So, I don't know. I feel like a lot of this stuff would be better for somebody with a darker skin tone. I don't think that this box is cohesive for somebody who's as fair skinned. And that's where our profiles come in and where BOXYCHARM really needs to start to use them. And you know how I harped a couple months back about Ipsy flopping and then BOXYCHARM being awesome, and then when Ipsy flops, BOXYCHARM follows behind? This is month 2 now where I have to say that BOXYCHARM was a total fail for me, both the base box and the box. Not as good as that Luxe. That Luxe still worse. But I gotta say, BOXYCHARM is it's not rocking it. It's not the thing right now. They need to do better. So this month, I'm going to give BOXYCHARM an F and tell you that Ipsy was the better bet. They had some decent products. I really like that IBY one that we got. So that's how we land on this one, guys. If you liked the video, go ahead and like it. If you disliked it, go ahead and dislike it. Be that person, see if I care. Subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to build a presence here with us all in COVID life. I've been trying to be better about making content. And I need you guys to watch it and smash the like button and comment and tell me, yeah, keep going. Otherwise, I'm just going to stop doing it. All right, guys. Follow me on Instagram, lifestyle.ella, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.